So here we are heading towards our destination. Let's see where am I taking you all with me. So this is my view. You can see right now how mesmerizing it is. You can see that board. Wow, that's so cool. So this is basically called Marina Walk you could say. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे इसी तरह के स्पॉट्स हैं जिनको नाम दे दिए गए हैं लाइक द वॉक और जस्ट मरीना वॉक एंड दे हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ व्यू. ये मेन रोड है एंड यू कैन सी दैट दिस इज़ इन द मिडल ऑफ द मेन रोड. देयर इज़ अ ट्रैम मूविंग एंड देन बिल्कुल सेम यही व्यू आपको ट्रैम के उस तरफ ऑपोजिट साइड पे भी नज़र आएगा. एंड देन दे हैव दीज टॉल बिल्डिंग्स हियर. थोड़ा सा काफ़ी ही कोई ज़बरदस्त सा व्यू बनाया गया है ये. एंड इट्स बेसिकली टू यू नो इम्प्रेस एंड टू अट्रैक्ट द टूरिस्ट जो यहाँ पे आ रहे होते हैं. तो इट्स वन ऑफ द वेरी यू नो रनिंग स्पॉट ऑफ दुबई जहाँ पे जो भी आता है तो दे यूजली कम हेयर एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. सो जो नहीं भी आना चाहता वो भी आना चाहेगा. So yes, you guys can come here, enjoy the view. They have a lot of restaurants right on the ground floor. You can see छोटे-छोटे cafes बनाए हुए हैं and you can try जो भी आपको पसंद हो coffee or you know some kind of a snack. And then they have restaurants as well. सबसे अच्छा मैं आपको मशवरा दूंगी कि there are a lot of groceries stores which is called बकाला. और वहाँ पे तो आपको एक एक दो धर्म के जूसेस मिल जाएंगे and it would not cost you a lot, trust me. If you don't want to spend too much and you wanted to spend on view or you know explore things or instead of इतने महंगे रेस्टोरेंट्स को ट्राई करने से बेहतर है यू मस्ट स्नैकिंग जो चीज़ें हैं वो आप ग्रॉसरी शॉप से ले लें. एंड देन डिनर लंच और ब्रेकफास्ट देन यू कैन डिसाइड विच restaurant you wanted to try. They also have Indian Pakistani restaurants which are reasonable as compared to other Turkish and Egyptian restaurants. So it's all up to you. And this is the same way like जो मेट्रो की तरफ जाता है आप ये जो रास्ता दिया हुआ है like you just need to walk towards the metro. This is the same route. A lot of my friends ask me why did I stop making vlogging. It's just because it's too much time consuming and you can see that now I have 2 kids. So every kids उसको पूरी attention चाहिए. And you can see the other one, it's right there. I came afar, but me and my husband is, my husband is with him because he just left. Anyways, ये है, it's a motherhood and it's a life of every parent, I guess. So you can relate. And there you go. You can see, check out this view. Just for you guys, I literally came down so that you can see what I was explaining you और जो मैं समझाना चाह रही थी. So there is this cafe, Olivia kind, yeah, it's Olivia, right? No, it's Oliva. Yeah, it looks like an Italian. Yeah, it is an Italian restaurant. It says Viro Sapor Italiano. So yeah. Then there is this cafe. I guess it's kind of a shop and a cafe both. Because I can see a lot of things hanging which I think it is for shopping. And then the best thing about Dubai is Careem Bikeya. It's like a Careem bike. In Pakistan we usually say Bikeya, so it was in my mind. यहाँ पे ये cycles हैं. आप यहाँ से you can get your cycle and you can do cycling on this road. And you can enjoy doing cycling with the view. And here you can see the other one is sleeping. I wish one day I'm gonna make a vlog on sitting on this board, and I'm gonna make it definitely. It's in my go-to list. Let me zoom in and show you how they are enjoying with kids, family, and that person is already making a video or picture. So I guess my other one needs my attention because you can see her loud voice. She is crying. So see you shortly. I just realized I should stop here and wait for them because I was involved in just vlogging और मैं भूल गई थी कि you know we are together. So here they are.
पिक्चर लेता हूँ.
So this is what I wanted to show you guys कि यहाँ से मरीना मॉल जाने का भी रास्ता है, and I'm going to show you how we will enter Marina Mall. And there's other way as well, but this way is the shortest I believe from my home. So you can see the view and everything, and I'm going to definitely show you how we will enter through this place. So here you can see my one kid is sleeping, the other one is still not. So we are going towards the marina now. Actually, you know, I'm making a short videos and I'm gonna pile it up for you guys. So I hope it turned out to be good and you guys really enjoyed it. And I'm focusing more on the view so you can also enjoy, because बातों से ज़्यादा शायद इंसान देखने में ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टेड होता है. So yes. अच्छा, I was under the impression कि हम यहाँ से जाएंगे, but my husband told me that no, हमें उधर से जाना है. Meanwhile, you can enjoy the voice of my other one. See, the good part about Dubai is that this is the water. It's a normal water, anyone can drink. It's like a mineral water, yeah, definitely. Or distilled water, I would say. Of course, while you're doing vlogging and with kids, you have to manage their noises, their voices, their crying, their laugh, everything. You could not stop. So sorry for that. The reason why I'm making it and I'm not recording it, because I think that's the more I can save my time to, you know, because otherwise I get too lazy to record videos and to make a vlogging after that. So I thought कि नहीं, इस बार तो भाई बोलना चाहिए, बोल कर ही बनाओ तो सही चलेगा, वरना नहीं चल सकता, वरना नहीं बना सकती. So yeah, so you have to bear with me all this. So finally I got one thing to stop her crying, is pani, which is really important for all of us to drink because it's very hot here in Dubai as well as in Pakistan, I know. So keep all of you hydrated, and if you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. And here we are at the marina. This is the outside of the Marina Mall, and you can go from this side as well as from here. So let's see, this guy is asking us if we wanted to try the boat, but not now. We didn't come for that. So for this thing, yes, definitely we will plan it. अच्छा, यहाँ का रात का मंजर is very nice. I hope if I stay here till night, I definitely will show you guys. पर फिलहाल तो यही देख लें, इसी से गुजारा करते हैं. So here you can see the other view with the fountain. हम यहाँ से कोशिश कर रहे हैं मॉल के एंट्रेंस जाने के लिए, because there was the other gate as well, but that was you know, like the prams and the wheelchairs cannot go. So we are figuring it out, like कैसे जाएं हम अंदर मॉल के. तो हाँ, even living in Dubai it's not an easy thing, because ये बहुत भूल भुलैया है. So आप खुद एक नई चीज़ इजाद करते हैं. And yeah, luckily we saw one guy coming in the wheelchair, so definitely वो कहीं ना कहीं से आ रहा है जहाँ से हम एंटर हो सकते हैं. तो यार दिमाग चलाया गया है और अब हम जा रहे हैं मॉल के अंदर फाइनली. here we are. So this is the entrance of the mall. It's the back side of the entrance of the mall. The main entrance is different. I don't know if I can capture that in this vlog, but maybe next time. This is the store. This is the grocery store, I would say. Like every mall, they have Carrefour, like a supermart or with groceries, with anything you want. But this one is different. This is Waitrose Dubai Marina in Marina Mall. So this is different. Otherwise, mostly in Dubai malls, they have Carrefour. Yeah. People say Carrefour, people say Carrefour. I don't know what exactly the pronunciation is, but I usually call them Carrefour. So if you guys know, you can just correct me on the comment box. So yeah, that would help me. This is the ATM here. Then this has, I guess, 1, 2, 3 levels. Yeah, the top level always have cinema, and they have you know, gaming zone. Also they have food court, definitely. And then the other levels, they have these kind of brands, all brands you would find here, including some cafes and some, like Pete's Coffee is very famous, one of the famous ones. And also you will find a lot of other cafes and restaurants on different levels. I remember I tried Shakespeare Co here. I'm not sure in which level it is, but definitely it is in Marina Mall. Yeah, I can assure you with that. So we are going towards the elevator, lift I mean, because yes, of course, we are with the kids, definitely. So here it's a lot of traffic right now. Why? Because we are on Sunday. So basically, as usual to other days, यहाँ पे Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday, too many people. So yes, just for you guys. Here's a very interesting thing I found in Dubai Marina Mall in front of the lift. That, you know, if you wanted to put the plastic bottles here, they will crush it and they can recycle it. So you know, it's Green Arabia, you can see. This is how it is. I mean, a very good initiative, definitely. I would appreciate the Dubai government. See, you can put these cans as well. So we actually came up on the top level, which is P5 here. You could see the gaming zone for the kids and the cinema. Yeah, it's a real cinema here in Dubai Marina. So it's jump and fun, you can see, for the kids. And actually we were very hungry. हमने lunch skip कर लिया था क्योंकि हमने decide किया था कि we'll go out, so definitely we're gonna have something. So yeah, so we are here. Let's see what we're gonna have. We were trying this doner gyros. They have something very different menu we found in beef and chicken. So let's see how our experience will go. So this is what I got for myself. Yeah, so let's enjoy. And so this is their sandwich. It cost me only 39 dirham, but you can see it's not enough for one person.
It's a wrap.
Oh yeah, it's a wrap. So yes, my husband corrected me. Yeah, it's a wrap. So we're finally done with our lunch. So here we are ending up this vlog. You'll find a lot of brands here. So if you wanted to come, you can come with friends, family, and have fun. If you like this video, again I'm saying please like and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. So going back to the house now. Ending it up with this view at night. Not night, but yeah, kind of now it's getting darker, so this is how it looks.